welcome back to my channel. I'm here with another wig making tutorial, and for this wig I'll be making use of Beyond Beauty hair. This is it. As you can see, a seller sent me this for a review. A seller on Amazon sent me this hair for a review, and if you've been following me on this channel, you will know that I've done a review on this brand before. Okay, I've done a review on Beyond Beauty hair before, and that was their spring twist. Yeah, that was their spring twist. So this time around they sent me this. Let's open and see how it looks like. They sent me this Goddess Locks, you can see, with curls at the end. They sent me this 18 inches Goddess Locks for a review. So I decided to make a wig with it as usual. Okay, you can see how it came. This comes in color black bong. Yes, that's how it is written on the website. This is it, 18 inches, well constructed, and you can see how smooth it looks, no frizz. I like the curls at the end. You can see, very well constructed, and it comes with a loop. You can see, for an easy crochet. Yes, it comes with a loop for easy crochet. This is it. So they sent me 6 packs of that. Okay, 2, 3. They sent me 6 packs, and it comes with some accessories and also a crochet hook. These are the accessories to beautify it, and some clips. Okay, each pack contains 24 strands of the crochet, the locks crochet. Okay, 24 strands, and they sent me 6 packs of this. Okay, so I decided to make a wig with it. The link to this hair will be in the description area, and I will also pin it at the comment section. Okay, in case you are interested. As I said, I've reviewed Beyond Beauty hair before. If you buy Beyond Beauty hair, trust me, you've got a quality hair. Their hair is of good quality. Okay, so soft and very lightweight, not heavy at all. So keep watching to see how the wig will turn out.
About Ricky, now I listen and laugh. Even almost got married, and for Pete I'm so thankful. Wish I could say thank you to Malcolm, cause he was an angel. One taught me love, one taught me patience, and one taught me pain. I'm so amazing to love them all. That's not what I see. Look what I got. Look what you taught me. Yeah, for that I say thank you. grateful for my
I'm done with the wig making, and as you can see, this is the outcome of it. Very beautiful. I so much love this color. You can see how full it looks. I used all the 6 parts that was sent to me. This is it, a center part, and with the type of wig net that I use, you can pack it in different styles. When you cut off the excess wig, this is how it looks like. Very, very beautiful. I'm feeling this wig, honestly speaking, and the hair feels so soft, not heavy at all, very light. As I said earlier, the link to this hair will be in the description area. Feel free to check it out. They have different types of hair. Trust me, Beyond Beauty hair is of good quality, and you will love it when you purchase it. Here is the Goddess Locks, and the wig is ready. That brings us to the end of today's video. Thank you all for watching to this point. Remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if this is your first time, okay? Till I come your way next time, stay blessed, stay safe, and bye-bye.
Now I listen and laugh, even almost honorary. And for Pete, I'm so thankful. Wish I could say thank you to Malcolm, 'cause he was an angel.